Hello, hello. We are going to talk really quickly today about FlipGrid. Your assignment for today is to answer 4 questions via FlipGrid. I know some of you are familiar with FlipGrid. Some of you maybe have never heard of it before. It's pretty easy to use. It's going to end up looking something like this. I don't know if you all were able to check this out at the Great Cooper virtual get-together the week before school started, but it'll come through and then there will be just a little video of you talking, giving me, for our purposes, you're going to give me the answer to these questions. And I'm going to just show you real quick how to do it. So in Schoology, there is this assignment that's called FlipGrid Practice. It is in the folder appropriate for today. And all you have to do, if you have, if you're on your Chromebook, all you have to do is click on this where it says what makes a good student. I know some people have downloaded the FlipGrid app to their phone. If you have, then the join code on that is right here. And then, so like I said, all you have to do is click on it. You'll come up to the FlipGrid and you just click on record a response. So you're going to hit record a response and then it'll turn on your camera. It might ask for permission to use your camera and your microphone. So then you can adjust your camera however you need to. Click. So then there's me. Hi. You can change, you can add effects if you want to. There are filters here, so if you feel like you need to filter yourself a little bit, don't use that one. That's weird. But if you need to filter yourself, there's also frames you can put on. So if you want to be underwater, you can be underwater. If you really, really are very anti, anybody seeing your face, you can go ahead and put an emoji over your face so that people can't see you. I would like to see your lovely faces, but that's up to you. So whenever you're ready, when you're done playing with all of the effects that are available, all you have to do is hit the little record button. It'll count you down. You give your answer and then stop. And then you click next and you can review it, you can watch it. You can watch it, you can edit it, you can add more if you want to. And then take a picture of yourself and submit it. And that is just how easy it is. So you're going to answer these 4 questions. What makes a good student? So what is it that makes a student a good student? What makes a good teacher? I know you all have ideas on what makes a good teacher. You have had teachers that you really, really liked for some reason, or you had teachers who you really, really didn't like for some reason. Tell me about it. Tell me how that, what was good, what you liked. The third question is, besides money, why do people work? Obviously, we work for money. We work because we need to pay our bills. We need to support our families, all of those things. But why else? Why else do people work? What is the thing that drives people to do their jobs? And then the fourth question is, what would you like to learn in this class? For those of you who were in class last week, I did run through kind of the basics of what we're going to cover. We are going to cover how to get jobs, so applications, interviews, that type of thing, how to keep your job, how to make sure that you don't get fired, how to plan for your long-term career, so what you want to do after high school, and then we're going to talk kind of about budgeting and other things, but those are kind of the basics. So maybe there's something that I didn't mention that is employment related that you also would like to learn, or maybe you're just really excited about one of those things. Let me know about it. So you're going to have to click on each of these and do a little video for each. If you have questions, let me know.